Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ethalend token. Ticker symbol is Etha, E-T-H-A. Ethereum obviously is Ethereum's been very popular for a while, but it's been talked about a lot lately because of the merge. And last week I saw this Ethereum token trending #1 in the top gainer section. And then now we got Ethalend in the top gainer section. This has been #1 today, well this morning anyways, since I got up. Right now they're up 228.25% on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, Ethalend. So, like I said, they're up 228.29% today, sitting at almost 5 cents per token. Right now they're at 4.9 cents per token. Ethalend.org is their official webpage. On CoinMarketCap, they have a full CertiK audit that you could check out if you want. CertiK is the leading crypto auditor, so that's amazing. They have that. You can find their Etherscan on here, Medium, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, GitHub, webpage, price chart, contract address. All of that is available on here. Now, you could get this off of different exchanges. There's a ton of them, so I'll just give you the best ones in my opinion. I mean, you could get it off of a swap, like it says it's listed here on QuickSwap. So that's like a decentralized way you could get it through your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet by funding your wallet with Ethereum. I would assume Uniswap too. It doesn't have Uniswap listed on CoinMarketCap, but if you get it in a decentralized way, I mean, that's cool. You got it in your decentralized wallet. But you are going to have to pay network fees, gas fees, maybe slippage, all that type of stuff. It's listed on a few lesser like central exchanges here, but the best one that I could see it's listed on here is MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token, in my opinion, the best way would be MEXC. I use it all the time. If you don't have an MEXC account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you just go right through that MEXC Global referral code in the description box. Fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ETHA, which is the ticker symbol, and then you simply just buy the token. It's a real easy way to get this token here. So if we go to their Medium articles here, it is at Etha, or medium.com/Etha, I should say, and they have all sorts of different articles here. Let's scroll all the way down. This seems like this token's been out for, you can kind of see how long a token's been out just by how many articles they have on here. And they have an insane amount of articles. So a lot of, looks like AMAs they do. I see that on here. What else we got here? So a lot, like weekly updates. That's why they have a lot of Medium articles. So they're up to like weekly update number 35. Looks like they offer lending and borrowing. So they have a new roadmap on here, the Ethalend 2.0 roadmap of 2022. It says, since we launched Ethalend in July 2021, thousands of DeFi users have interacted with the protocol and its product synergies, and many thousands more have become part of the Etha community. Building in DeFi's yield optimization space has been an incredibly rewarding journey, and at the same time it is challenging, but we have always welcomed those challenges, and that spirit carries over in 2022. We've learned quite a bit about our users, our strategies, and the DeFi space at large during this time. We have built expertise in the number of niches and protocols, while also gaining a much deeper understanding of the needs of our users and the ecosystem as a whole. long before the end of 2021, we had already started looking ahead. Now that we've stepped into 2022, the extreme thrill, we're here to announce Ethalend 2.0, a strategic expansion of the protocol, concept, vision, and product synergies that surpass the horizons of DeFi into DeFi 2.0, Web3, and a much more hybrid infrastructure. So Etha will traverse across many chains. We wanted to explore deployments on different chains for some time now. So they're going to be doing that. They're going to be cross-chain with Moonriver, Avalanche, Phantom, Arbitrum, and Binance Smart Chain. So they're going to update also their UX and UI for an intuitive experience. So that's part of the new roadmap here. They're going to have on-chain automation. They're going to have bonding, new tokenomics. It says they're going to update their tokenomics to 2.0 version, and governance. So it's going to give you like DAO voting rights. The mysterious new entity called Etha Labs. Etha Labs will stand at the heart of our existing protocol and the community-centric infrastructure and ecosystem we aim to build in DeFi. It says more of that will be coming very soon. A cumulative protocol and ecosystem growth, so they're going to have new partnerships, leveraged eVault strategies, new accessibility features such as adding token contract addresses manually, eVault dual farming strategy, launching hybrid yield farming strategies, enhanced flexibility for the protocol to acclimate new assets and other protocols in a frictionless manner, boosting integrations with enterprising third-party wallets, including Trust Wallet, Math Wallet, Gnosis Safe, etc. And then they're going to have a new community roadmap coming out, it says. All sorts of stuff on here. So if we go back to, let me just see how many Twitter followers they have. Actually, I'm interested in here. 17,200 Twitter followers so far. It says the agnostic DeFi yield optimizer. And they're hiring if you want to try to get a job there. But yeah, so let's go back. Check out, I want to see the tokenomics here. So their tokenomics you can find on the Etherscan. Looks like right now they have 1,502 holders, 11,994 transfers. They do have a full white paper listed on their Etherscan you could check out. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 30 billion tokens. Let me see if their white paper does work. It looks like it is loading up. So that's good to see. Now, let me just scroll down here on... So on CoinMarketCap, they usually have an about blurb section. When you go over to their webpage, actually, when you go to their webpage, it says your connection is not private. So that bothered me a little bit. So just be aware of that. I did not click exactly on their webpage, but you could find information in a roundabout way on their white paper, on CoinMarketCap, on Medium articles, stuff like that. So in a nutshell, what is Ethalend? Ethalend is a composable DeFi yield optimizer built on Ethereum and Polkadot. The protocol interacts with multiple DeFi ecosystem to expose liquidity providers to optimal yield, leveraging data analytics and optimization techniques to provide optimal yield. Etha is a utility token that will be used for voting on parameter changes and upgrades of the protocol, staking to earn rewards and performance fees. For liquidity mining, Etha protocol includes Etha discovery algorithm, which fetches many data points, including current gas costs, and provide optimal yield. Etha pools facilitate LPs to supply a stable asset and allow them to earn yield on volatile assets. The principal is protected from volatility while the yields are earned in a volatile asset. Ethalend provides algorithmically optimal yields by using data analysis and optimization techniques. So basically that's what Ethalend is in a nutshell. And I just loaded up their white paper. It looks like it does work. It is a 12-page white paper you could check out. It's got problems and solutions, market analysis, all this type of stuff on there. So that's another way to earn info if you don't want to go to their non-private webpage, which always bothers me when I see that. It says your connection is not private. Attackers might be trying to steal your information. So just be aware of that. And that's why I'm not going on their webpage. But anyways, besides that, I'm not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Ethalend? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.